Hello guys, this is an informational video on installing the ZL1 rear diffuser on a Challenger Hellcat when you have the rear diff brace installed. So here's the ZL1 diffuser. I chose this one just because the extended aluminum goes all the way up to the diff and it's pretty easy to install. You do have to make some modifications. Draw a line here, cut away. You can buy this tool at Home Depot for like 15 bucks. Once you make that cut, you can slide this part into the underneath the rear diff bolts that bolt onto the frame. You just have to loosen them a little bit and slip this underneath. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So here's my fiance's Hellcat, and if you look underneath here, I've already installed that rear diff brace. So these are the two bolts you loosen up. Once you get enough distance in there, you just slide the back piece of that diffuser on there. The other four bolts are very easy. They just hook up right here. And let me show you guys the finished product on my RedEye here, which I've already installed. This is what it looks like.